I'm in Target. I'm looking for a swimsuit for my trip, my birthday trip. I'm gonna turn the camera around. And I'm also picking up stuff for my new skincare routine. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, subscribe below. My name is Carmel B, and definitely turn on those notifications because I do have so many videos that are coming up. So as you all saw from the title, I am going to show you all my skincare routine. I did pick up a new Clean and Clear cleanser. Using their products for years. I never had an allergic reaction, and this is actually the Night Relaxing Deep Cleaning Face Wash, and it's oil free. It says wind you down, washes away daily build up with sea minerals and sea kelp extract. So we're gonna see how this is. It's supposed to wind me down. It's been a long day. I'm tired. I currently don't have on any makeup. We're going to jump right in with this skincare routine. It don't take much. So we have the Night Relaxing Deep Cleaning Face Wash, our Witch Hazel, the alcohol, the Dual Effects Moisturizer. They were out of the Clean and Clear moisturizer because that's what I usually get. Our cotton swab rounds, and I have an electric face cleaner, it's a face brush, and a clean towel. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna get is our cotton swab and our alcohol. So I must say that I've been using alcohol on my skin for years. If you do have sensitive skin, like extremely sensitive skin, I do not recommend. I mean, you can test it to see if you're gonna have any type of reaction to it, but it don't do anything for to my skin. It definitely cleans out, get all the trapped dirt and makeup that may still be on my face. So I definitely go in with the alcohol first just to wipe my skin down and make sure that everything is out. We're gonna use our face scrubber. I did get this off of Amazon about 2 years ago. I think it was about $20. And it does come with different speeds. I use the highest speed just so it can definitely exfoliate my skin. So I like to wet it first under hot water. Just add a little bit on there first. Then I'm going to take our Clean and Clear Night Relaxing Deep Cleaning Face Wash. Okay, I'm going to stop it. And I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 pumps. Yeah, about 3 pumps on here. Those. The water. So now we're gonna, oh, it feels so good. Okay, so we're just gonna continue. Okay, so now that we have it all over our face, I just like to go ahead and clean back off our face scrubber. We're done with this. And I like to get the water very hot. I'm just going to take a face towel and get it wet. And we're going to wipe our face down. And I'm getting back in the routine of definitely doing this a lot. So I try to do this every night before I go to sleep. The fan off our face, just looking dry a little, because next we're going to use a clean swab, and we're going to use our witch hazel. So it definitely like evens and tones my skin. I have like a few blemishes, so I definitely see this helping. So I'm just going to wipe this all over my skin. And it don't take much at all, as you can see. It don't take long for the witch hazel to dry into your skin. And so you can already see I have like a little glow on my nose, like it's shining a little bit. So now I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer, and I'm gonna use about, let's see, 1, 2, like 1.5. And I'm just gonna take this, definitely I'm gonna go around my nose area first, because that's where my driest part of my face is. I don't even actually need all of this, because a little goes a long way. And just gonna moisturize our skin. Now this is my face routine because I do have dry skin.